Hello, I'm Ian, and I'm a service technician at Ecolawn. In this technical video, we'll replace the A-81 V-belt that drives the discs. The first step is to remove both wheels in the front. You want to make sure to place your jack as far in the front as possible on the sides of the frame. Place your jack stands between the pillow block and the ejection mechanism. Do this on both sides of the machine. What follows next is to loosen the vertical bolts for the V-belt adjustment. Reduce the tension by loosening the horizontal bolt. Do this on both sides of the machine. Then, remove the left disc. Loosen the set screws of the gearbox pulley. Remove the gearbox. Rotate the propeller and pull on the V-belt to remove it. Remove the differential support bracket on the right-hand side. Remove the differential bearing collar. Mark on the frame where the differential is positioned on the left-hand side of the machine. Remove the pillow block from the frame. Remove the tension guard. Remove the rod from the tension wheel. Remove the tensioner wheel and the V-belts. Remove the engine guard. Remove the bushing and bolt kit at the bottom of the drive rod adjustment. Remove the snap ring from under the engine mounting plate. Remove the spring and remove the snap ring for the axle to release the tension wheel. Then we will remove the V-belts. Put a reference mark on the frame on the left-hand side for the drive shaft. Remove the pillow block from the frame. Remove the engine V-belts and remove the disc V-belt. Install the new disc V-belt and reinstall the engine V-belts. Reinstall the pillow block and reposition at the mark. Place the V-belt back on the engine pulley. Reinstall the assembly for the engine tensioner. After the snap ring has been installed under the engine mounting plate, we reinstall the tensioner wheel. Reinstall the tension spring. Reinstall the bushing kit on the bottom clevis. Pull the rod up and push down on the tensioner to install the bolt and bushing kit. Reinstall the engine guard. Reinstall the V-belt, the tensioner wheel, and then the tension guard. Reinstall the V-belt on the gearbox pulley. Reinstall the bolts for the pillow block for the differential at the marked position. Reinstall the bolts for the bearing collar and tighten all bolts. Reinstall the differential support bracket on the right-hand side. Reinstall the gearbox back into the pulley and then tighten the set screws. Adjust the ejection mechanism. It should be adjusted at 1/2 inch on both sides. Reinstall the disc. Reinstall the wheels. Thank you for watching this video. If you require further technical assistance, do not hesitate to contact Ecolawn Applicator at the number or email shown on the screen. Before contacting us, have your serial number ready, and be sure to register your machine on our website. The warranty may be void if the machine is not registered.